Welcome to Marley and Maple Handmade. Today we're finally going to go through the Uniquely Creative April pack. So this one's called Paperbark Blooms Creative Kit April 2026. So we'll just have a quick flip through the magazine. They're showing you how to do some scrapbook ideas. Some of these things are really quite pretty. More scrapbooking ideas. And I love how they give you all the instructions how to do everything, which is great. I generally do my own thing, but sometimes I take some inspiration from these. They've got cards. They've got a new die that's released with this release. Well, I like making cards like this. Fold-up card. Sort of like a Z-fold card. Sorry about that. And there we go. So with the kit, this time you get some stamps. These cute little pearl posy stickers. Creative cuts. And another pack of creative cuts. I did buy separately the lace embellishments and the heart metal dies. I also got the coordinating cardstock bundle. So they give you, get this wonderful overlay that you can put on your scrapbooking things with photos or cut it up and do whatever you want with it. And then this very cute little overlay. I'm not sure, what does it say? Oh, it just says Paperbark Blooms Decorative Base Layer. And you get one piece of brown cardstock. So here's the paper. So on the back you get this cut apart sheet. The first page is called Matilda's Garden, and then that's on the back. And you get two of each sheet. The next one is called Banksia. And on the back is this one. This one is called Written Home. I'm loving all the native Australian flowers in this, and that's the back side. This one is called Layered Bloom. And then this on the other side. This one is Native Air. And then this one on the back. This one, Folded Stories. And little cut apart sheet on the back. This one, some beautiful hexagons. And wood grain on the back. And then this one is called Open Dreams. Some very nice things in here to cut out. I do believe this and this one go with a die that we might already have. And then that's the back. So that's all for that one. And we'll just move it aside. And here is the card making kit. So here's some cards that you can make. All quite nice. We've got square cards this time, so that's quite pretty. We have the creative cards, a little sentiment sheet. We've got some green embellishments and some green ribbon. The square cards and envelopes. And we'll go through the paper. Okay. So we have this one, this one, this one, and there is 2 of each sheet in these. Very nice natives for Mother's Day coming up. I think in Australia Mother's Day is the 2nd Sunday in May. So we can all get our cards done for Mother's Day. I have 2 Mother's Day markets coming up. One on the 2nd of May here in Griffith, and then the other one is in Ardlethan on the 9th of May. So they're both Saturdays. So I will have to get busy and start doing some Mother's Day cards. I'll have to add that to the pile of things to do. I've got a big stack of makeup bags that I've started sewing over on my sewing desk. Is everyone else doing Mother's Day cards this year? Or when does everyone else celebrate Mother's Day? If you're not in Australia. There we go. Really beautiful pack this time. And that's just the back page. So that is the Uniquely Creative Paperback Blooms, the Card Making and Creative Kit, and the extra things that I got. So I hope you all come back soon, and hopefully we'll have another video of some card making, maybe even a makeup bag tutorial, see how we go. But I hope you all have a great day. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.